For Christmas this year, I'm going to show you how to really stand out with this simple origami model. What you're going to do is you're going to put one of these in each Christmas card. They're super simple to make. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so we're going to start off with our dollar bill. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half. So I'm going to fold it in half lengthwise, lining up the edges, making sure my corners are good. Just like that, and then I will crease this down. Then I'm going to open this up, and that crease is going to be our reference line. So go ahead and turn the bill sideways. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take this edge here, and I'm going to fold it along this crease line. So I will line that up. And then, when I'm happy with that, I will crease that down. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. So I'm going to take this, fold that down, and crease that down. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to take this edge and fold it along the center crease. And then we'll crease that down. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I will then crease this down. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to fold this in half, and I'm going to make this tip stay on the center crease line and come right to the edge of this paper. Just like that. Then I will crease that down. Then we're going to flip this over. And now we're going to pull this back. We're going to line up our sides here so that the paper stays straight. We're going to leave a little bit of a triangle in here. So this area I want to leave open. And you can kind of guesstimate how much you want. I'm going to go about that. It's not super critical. Okay, once we're here, let's go ahead and rotate this on our side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this bottom edge and we're going to line it along that center crease. But this corner is going to bind up, but I'm going to show you how we're going to deal with that. So we're going to start here. I'll line up on the center crease. I'll make sure this edge is good. And when I'm happy with that, I will start to crease this down. I'm going to go ahead and rotate this up so I can show you. What we're going to do is we're going to kind of train the paper. We're going to use our fingers. We're going to train the paper to go the way we want. But we don't want to flatten it down that way. We're going to move this over so that this corner here, that it comes to a point. And when that happens, we can go ahead and crease that down. Whoop. Just like that. Okay, we're going to do the same thing to this side. So I'm going to take this bottom edge. I'm going to line this up on the corner or on the edge. And then start to crease this up. Open up that paper. And I'll walk it over till I get a good point. I get a good point, I will go ahead and crease that down. Okay. Now the last step before I show you the enhancement is we're going to go ahead and lift this up. And we're just going to tuck this in underneath. Then fold that down, we flip it over, and there's the basic Christmas tree. Now, I did say I was going to show you a little enhancement. I'm going to show you how to make it stand. So we're going to go ahead and flip it over. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take these flaps here, take this edge, and I'm going to fold it along this top edge. And then we will crease that down. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to take this edge here and fold it along this edge. just like that. We're going to go ahead and open that up. You can kind of round the bottom a little bit. And this model will stand. Now, my camera is pointing straight down so you don't see it real well. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I hope this tutorial was useful and was helpful. Please click that like and subscribe as it really does help me. Also, let me know what you thought of the enhancement. Was it a good idea? Was it not? All right. Thank you. I'll see you next time.